14. Surah Ibrahim. It is probably one of the last Makki Surah. It has 52 verses and 7 sections. The basic theme of the surah is Allah's guidance through His prophets. The purpose of this guidance is to take the people from darkness to light. Many people in the past had doubts about their prophets. They laughed at them and they threatened to kill them or expel them from their towns. However, the lasting word is the good word. The surah also mentions Prophet Ibrahim's prayer when he established the city of Makkah. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. The purpose of the Qur'an is to lead humankind to light. Number 2. Prophets and their people. Number 3. Non-believers threatened the prophets, but Allah's promise to the prophets. Number 4. Satan misleads the disbelievers in this world, but in the hereafter he would leave them in the lurch. Number 5. The ingratitude of people. Number 6. Prophet Ibrahim's prayer for Makkah, for its people and for his own children. Number 7. Allah is aware of what the wrongdoers are doing, their respite and end.